Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mika. For those of you that are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload another video. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you guys. Oh my gosh. So in today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I am going to be doing a makeup look. This is the look, this is the finished product. This is a finished product. Make sure you guys stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. It's actually really cute. I like it, and since it's St. Patrick's Day, I decided to do green and yellow, and my hair is kind of like got like some little green thing going on. I don't know what's going on with right here though, but let me try to fix it. Okay guys, make sure you sprinkle some comments down below, give your girl a thumbs up, and let's get into this makeup look. Okay y'all, so per usual, I went ahead and did my brows off camera, and obviously I like the left side better, but anyways, I'm gonna go in with this Warrior palette from Juvia's Place. I'm going in with the green. I'm gonna do that as my transition color, and then I'm gonna go back in with this in the same palette and go into the yellow, and I'm gonna put that at the top outer part of my eyelid. Okay y'all, so even though your girl is not that good at cutting crease, I'm going in with some cleansing balm to just clean off my lid because I'm gonna cut the crease today. For some reason I just like how the cut crease looks, I don't know, but yeah, I'm still working on getting my cut crease together. So anyways, after I did that, I went in with some white eyeshadow base, and I used that as my base to cut my crease. I think I need to get a different eyeshadow base though, because for some reason this one always burn my eye. It always make my eye watery and hurts, and I'm just like, I don't understand why it's doing that. But anyways, after I went in with that eyeshadow base, I basically, you know, cleaned it up and stuff like that, and then I let it dry with my little fan. I let it dry with the little fan, and then, you know, I went ahead and cleaned it up and stuff like that. And as you guys will see later on in the video, they do not look the same. Each eye look different. I don't know what's going on. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna go into this Zodiac palette, and it's funny that this green shade right here is Sagittarius, and that's my sign. So anyways, I went ahead and just tap it onto my eyelid where I cut the crease. Y'all, I feel like I use so many palettes in this video, but anyways, I went ahead into this Take Me Back to Brazil palette with this yellow, and I just went into the crease line with the yellow. Instead of using the same yellow that I used before, I just used the one from this palette. Y'all, so I tried to go in with this elf liquid liner. It was freaking dried up, and all the other liners that I tried to use was dried up, so it made my eyeliner look crazy. Like, I was like, oh my god, this looks, I was getting mad. I was gonna stop the video. I really was gonna stop the video, but I said, you know what, let me just continue and stuff. But eyeliner, hot mess, hot mess. Y'all, don't judge me. Oh my god, I know they look different. I actually like the left side. I don't know, the left brow and the left liner I actually like. The other side, I don't know, but I don't know why I can never get them to look the same. Like, they always look different. What in the world is going on? But anyways, if you guys have any suggestions on how I could get them to look the same, please comment down below and let your girl know, because I need help. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this Jamelia lashes from Melanin Touch Cosmetics. And guys, let me show y'all, I was testing out these lash glue. It's like latex free, so it does not burn your eyes. Oh my gosh, like, love them. Anyways, I'm just rambling. I went in with some primer, and I'm just gonna pair these two foundation together. I think one is Givenchy and the other one is Shiseido, something like that. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I went in with those two, as you guys can see me doing here. I was so mad. The foundation fell on my dress. But anyways, after I went in with my foundation, I went in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I went in under my eye, my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I went in with that, and then I went ahead and set it with my Sacha Buttercup powder. To set my face, I used a face powder from Kiko Milan. I think it's Kiko Milan. I used the face powder, and I basically just used that to set my foundation. If y'all have watched previous makeup videos of mine, y'all know I do not contour. I do not know nothing about contouring, but I'm gonna go into this Essentials palette, and I'm gonna try to do a little thing on my nose, trying to do a little contour on my nose. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right here. and applied some highlight to my nose and my cheeks, my forehead, a little on my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I did that with my finger, and then I took the brush and kind of just blended it out. And then I went in with a little blush. I usually don't do blush, but I went in with a little blush. I kind of like blended that out, and my camera died, so I didn't get to show you guys what I did for lips. I went in with my regular eyebrow pencil that I used on my eyebrow. I lined my lips with that, and then I just applied some nude lip gloss. That's what I did. And for setting spray, I went in with this One Size matte setting spray, and that was pretty much it. I love how it looks. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person it looks so good. Oh my god, I love this look. So cute. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed doing it. I had a little issues at first, but I got it together. We got it together. This is what it's looking like. This is what we coming at. Okay, this is what we giving. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you're notified every time your girl upload another video. And thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys. This is super cute. Oh my god.